Natural bodybuilding is a joke and it's doomed. It can never reach the same level as enhanced bodybuilding, said the famous fitness influencer Jeet Salal.
Natural bodybuilding is a joke, it's doomed. Natural bodybuilding can never be at that platform.
But why? Because every year the same drama repeats. Some popular athlete who claims to be natural while secretly taking steroids and WADA banned substances gets exposed through advanced drug testing methods. By the way, if you want bodybuilding news before it hits anywhere else, hit follow right now. But instead of accepting the truth, they manipulate the audience, they blame food, supplements or cry on camera, making up new stories like the Federation framed me or they want revenge. They play the victim to gain sympathy on social media. Jeet points out that a handful of athletes are nothing compared to a federation.
You're nothing in front of that platform. You're just an individual. You're nothing in front of them. So nobody is taking clout or market in your name.
A federation is far bigger than an individual. These athletes aren't global superstars. No federation would risk its reputation by falsely accusing someone just to market their name. When someone fails a test, it should be accepted as a fact, not debated. Yet the shocking part is that many people still believe the excuses of these fake naturals and continue to support them. According to Jeet, this is the biggest loophole in natural bodybuilding. Because of a lack of awareness and education, audiences are easily manipulated into false narratives and cheaters continue to get money and fame while the sport itself suffers. When an athlete fails a drug test in the Olympics, other athletes don't come out and start consoling the cheater. Instead, they stand with the Olympics committee. But in bodybuilding, shockingly, even the fellow competitors defend these liars instead of standing with the federation and protecting the integrity of natural bodybuilding. They choose sympathy and silence, and this poisons the entire ecosystem. If you stand with cheaters, you cut the very branch you're sitting on. And then comes the brands. Do you think they care if someone is natural or not? They don't. All they care about is views, engagement, and sales. If a fake natural has followers, brands will happily back him, sponsor him, and sell supplements through him. That means lies get rewarded with money and fame, while real naturals, the ones who grind honestly for years, get ignored and left behind. This is why the audience stays confused, because the market itself is built on rewarding fraud. Jeet tried to fight this broken system with his federation, HSF. He poured in money, sweat, and passion, built global recognition, but in the end, dishonesty of fake natties and audience ignorance crushed it, and that's why he walked away. He compares with Western countries, where athletes often compete out of passion, not desperation for income, and where communities are quicker to call out frauds. In India, even convicted criminals are worshipped as gurus, so it's no surprise that fake naturals thrive. Finally, Jeet declares he will not return to organizing natural bodybuilding in India as the lack of awareness, education, sportsmanship, and systemic structure makes true fairness nearly impossible. So my question is, do you agree with Jeet Salal? Is natural bodybuilding in India dead? And shouldn't the fellow competitors call out these cheaters to protect the sport instead of remaining silent? Don't forget to like and share with your friends.